Hey girls, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing some holiday gel nails. I've already prepped her natural nails and then applied a base coat. I'm going to start by applying 2 layers of some white gel polish. If you guys did not recognize her, this is my mom and she wanted me to do her some Christmas nails. This gel polish is very streaky and it takes a few coats to get a good coverage. So if you know of a very good white gel polish, comment down below and I'll check it out. For her pinky and her index finger, I am going to be painting it red, so I'm not going to be too picky on how these nails come out. If you guys missed the tutorial where I did my mom's nails before, click this link right here. In this video, we did a purple and a blue gel manicure. Then I'm going to take some red nail polish and I'm going to paint her pinky and her index nail. This nail polish is very transparent, so I do need to add this nail polish over a white base. Then I'm going to take the fine nail art brush and I'm going to be doing a candy cane nail on her middle finger. I'm just doing some diagonal lines with the red nail polish. I'm going to do varying sizes between a thick and a thin line, and this will give you the candy cane effect. I'm sorry for the lighting change in this video. I did this manicure during the daytime and we're kind of close to a window, so sometimes the sun goes in and out and it changed the lighting of the video. Now I'm going to take the same brush and the same nail polish and I'm going to do some snowflakes on her ring finger. I'm going to be doing the same snowflakes that I did in this video right here. But to break it down for you guys, I'm going to draw a T shape and then draw an X in between those lines. Then I'm going to take the small side of my dotting tool and I'm going to add dots to the ends of these lines. Once I add the dots, I'm going to go back to the very fine nail art brush and I'm going to draw small V shapes right underneath the dots. Then I'm going to add another snowflake just like this one on the opposite side of the nail. I did the same design on her thumbnail, except I did the snowflake at the free edge of the nail. Now I'm going back in and applying a second coat of red nail polish to her pinky and index finger. Once everything is fully dry, I'm going to go in with a no wipe gel top coat. You do want to make sure to have the nail polish completely dry before adding a top coat, even if it's not gel, even if it's a normal nail polish top coat. This is because if the design is not fully dry, you will smear the design that you just did. Then I'm going to cure the nails for 60 seconds. Once the nails are cured, then I'm going to add some cuticle oil and we're all finished. I hope you guys loved this design. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below of what you think of this design or if you have suggestions for future nail art. Also, don't forget to hit subscribe because I'm posting new nail art videos every week. See you guys in the next video. Bye!